Let's apply the SWOT analysis to your careers as you did in the last paper. Here was one student and their SWOT analysis. Time management was a strength, and it certainly is. If we let ourselves get overwhelmed because we can't pick out the priorities, we get in trouble, like I do at times. She also saw ageism as a threat, as a weakness. She was using it as meaning individuals don't trust younger folks, in some cases, that have just gotten their degrees. They don't think they have the experience yet. An opportunity was this individual was an early adopter of new technology. Well, that to me, being an early adopter of any change, usually works out for the best. And, interestingly, she saw technology advancement as a threat because it's very difficult to keep up with because of the speed. This individual saw empathy as a major strength. Empathy, the ability to walk in the other person's shoes, the ability to understand the target audience, the ability to understand the stakeholder from the stakeholder's point of view. That is a major strength. Interestingly, this individual had a fear of networking. If you're afraid to network, the way to get over it is just go do it. Walk up, shake a hand, make an introduction, have your business cards, and carry on some chit-chat. For those of you that are younger, the Chamber of Commerce has groups for younger members. Team development is an opportunity. Yes, because teamwork is a major contemporary approach to problem solving, as you know. And the threat, adapting to a new culture. This student was talking about adapting from country A to the United States. But I'll put it further. When you leave company A to go to company B, you are going to a new culture. And within company B, there are multiple cultures, depending on which work unit you're going to sit in. That's a fact. And having a positive attitude. Yes, that is a definite strength. They'll look at you and say, wow, that person's a can-do person. Public speaking, often cited as a weakness. Well, the only way to deal with that is to do it. There are clubs that give you opportunities to practice your public speaking if you're really that nervous. If you're going to give a presentation about something you do, just remember you're the one in the audience that knows more about it than anyone else, because it's what you do. Networking, again, an opportunity to meet people, to learn about the latest developments, to pick up on where jobs might be going. And interestingly enough, this individual felt threatened by government regulations. And I can tell you, coming out of the oil industry, there are a lot of regulations. Here's another one. Ethics as being a strength. Yes, it is. And often we find ourselves in situations where our ethics are called upon to live by our ethics or to take a skip. This individual felt, again in the area of technology, inexperience with specific software. Well, that could be an opportunity to get the training, formal training or informal training, on that software. Opportunities knock if you're doing cross-training in different areas, because then you will see how everything fits together, or perhaps how it doesn't fit together. And finally, yes, we are all replaceable, depending on the economics of the time. That is true. Well, I hope this has helped a little bit in understanding a infographic and an analysis of our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Thank you.